This essay will examine antediluvian civilization theories by surveying flood myths and their common themes, analyzing key evidence cited, and discussing the enduring allure and lessons of envisioning lost pre-flood cultures. Universal flood myths and sunken worlds. Myths of a great flood exist across most ancient cultures globally, from Hindu and Chinese legends in Asia to Aztec and Mayan accounts in the Americas. The shared central narrative involves an original advanced civilization destroyed by a catastrophic deluge due to divine punishment of human wickedness. Typically, pious individuals escape the flood in a boat or ark, allowing humankind to renew itself after the old debased world perishes below the waters. Striking parallels indicate these myths stem from a shared collective experience of megafloods following the last ice age. The most famous antediluvian myth appears in Plato's dialogues on Atlantis, told by the Egyptian priest Solon.